Yeah, you're not crazy. It's Vlogmas on my channel. If you're not familiar with it, what is Vlogmas? Vlogmas, it's like a daily vlog from now to Christmas. So you guys got a video yesterday. My goal is to post a daily videos from now to Christmas. I'm not making any promise. I'll do my best to make that happen. Every time you see this intro, it's because it's Vlogmas. So Vlogmas is gonna be a vlog, which means sometimes we're gonna have a lot of car stuff going on. Sometimes it's just what I do like behind the scenes, so you guys get to know me a little bit better. That's a challenge for me because, you know, speaking with the camera and bring the camera wherever I go, it's gonna be a little different, so you guys can see how I plan my life in general and how YouTube plays this part of my life. What you have to do to help me is, first of all, just sit back, relax, and watch. Give me a thumbs up and leave your comment. Just comment anything so you can help the channel, alright? You guys gonna get to know what I do to, you know, buy parts, planning for this thing or that thing. And also I'm gonna take you guys in my general life. It's gonna be hard because you guys know I have a 9-to-5 job. Trying to mix YouTube on that thing, it's gonna be a challenge, but I really wanna do it. I really wanna leave my comfort zone. This is the perfect situation for this, right? Sit back, relax, enjoy the content. Oh boy, I can't believe I'm doing this, but I believe I am. What's up guys, welcome to the vlog game match here as always. As you guys can see, I'm doing that. Dave Yellowvet, he had a challenge, and I don't know, today is probably the coldest day I can get before snow, and we're supposed to get snow tomorrow. And to be honest, I don't want to drive the Corvette, you know, when the roads start to get like salty and everything, because, you know, I mean, I want to keep the car. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna drive the Corvette with the roof off. Today, last time I checked, 35-ish, 37, but I believe that's colder than this because I'm in North Jersey. We are going with whatever the car is saying. I believe we are at around 30, feels like, I don't know, let's see. Well, first thing I need to do, I need to move the cars around. It's cold. For sure feels more like less than 30, I would say. Let's do it. So if you guys didn't watch my last video, we got the carbo spoiler. We first need to remove the battery tender. I just got the car clean, so it is what it is. Look, even in the garage I get leaves. We're gonna remove the top and we're gonna gear up because Dave didn't say that I cannot wear my face mask and all this stuff, so I don't wanna get sick. Cold start, boys. I'm gonna let it warm up for a little bit, and dude, it's freaking cold. I'm gonna remove the top for now, blast the heat, we're going out. If you don't watch Dave's channel, make sure to watch it because I think a lot of people are doing this. I will probably not win because it doesn't get cold here in Jersey as other states, but I just want to be part of the community. Dave, that's for you, my brother. I don't know what's gonna be the next time I'm gonna take the vet out, to be honest, but if there's snow on the ground, I might go for a off-roading with the Corvette. Let's keep the roof just in case. Gear up. I don't want to get sick. Face mask it is. Feel like I'm going snowboarding. What does that look like? Nice? There we go. Gloves. Yeah, my gloves are different, so don't worry about it. We are ready to rock and roll. Dude, I feel like I'm going snowboard. You got the vet ready? Let's see if I got my wallet. I got my wallet, got the keys. I think I got everything we need. I put the GoPro there, so I'm gonna start the GoPro. I hope that doesn't fly out. Dude, it's cold. Right now, it's 32 degrees. See, I have the heat blasting here. The thing is though, I don't want to get sick, and I hope you guys can hear me. I don't want to get sick. That's why this entire thing. And I'll try to drive a little bit north, and we're gonna do some pools. So let's do it. Let's see. I'm gonna drive a little bit north. So the car is up to it's in the normal temperature right now. It's still 32 degrees. So I'll see. I'll drive another, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, and we'll see. People are looking at me with the face mask though. It's so funny. We are down to 30 degrees. No roof, no roof, no roof. Let's try. Ah, my tires! The tires are so cold though. I don't have traction. Everybody's looking at me, dude. That's so cool. The coldest now, right now it's 30 degrees. As you guys can see, it's 30 degrees. I think I got the fastest. I think I went up to 70 miles an hour, just because I was out. I didn't have more room, so we'll see if I get more room. Was changed between 29 and 30, but I got fast. I got at 70 miles an hour, so it's getting really cold, and I'm feeling I don't want to get sick, so I'll go back to the house. You can drive a long, like not long distance, but a long time with no top, as long as you have like the protection. Today it's a nice day, so it's hard to say. It's very windy though, but it's a nice day. I did it. I thought it would be worse. Of course, if you don't have the face mask and all the kind of stuff that I'm wearing, it makes it harder. But I'm quite sure I'm not gonna win. I just want to be part of the, you know, the challenge. So here it is. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have a Corvette, if you don't know Dave, make sure to check his channel. He's doing a giveaway for the winner. So I hope you guys can win. So, or at least be part like I'm doing. So now I'm freezing. I'm gonna go inside and rest a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. I hope you also to see you next upload, alright? As always, never forget, enjoy your life.